What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? We're walking down Dotonbury and we found the Running Man guy. But yeah, he's super popular. Everyone's taking pictures of him and they're doing like the his pose as well. Alright, so Lena just got Japanese creme brulee. Yeah, we're pretty much just like stopping by random kind of like food places and just eating it. And our next stop is gonna be probably, what's the next stop?
Takoyaki.
Takoyaki. Alright, so this is the place. Pretty big lineup too, so I think it's good. Oh, how dare you. She threw my chopsticks on the floor and I can't eat anymore. That's her plan all along. This one. That's really good. That's really good. You can really taste the octopus in there. Oh, that's like especially made too. Like they made it on the spot.
There's a lot of like completely scallions here. They're pretty good. There's cornmeal flakes, and there's also ginger as well.
We are at the top of the Umeda Sky Station, and actually we're actually not even at the top yet. But essentially, this station has like domes around it in circles, and people can walk around it and look at Osaka from pretty much the highest point of the city. Whoa! Holy shit! This is gorgeous. This is all of Osaka right here. And essentially, I'll do a 360. But essentially, this dome here, it's a whole circle here. And you can kind of just walk around in circles and kind of look around the entire Osaka.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leaving.
Wish you guys can actually see the actual view because it doesn't look as good as it is on camera, but it's really gorgeous.